morning parents and my dear students. Welcome to Std-2 Evs class. Today we are going to take up another chapter. Chapter 11. It's travel time from your Green Circle EVS book part 2. Children, wherever we live, we need to travel. And to travel, we need different kinds of transport. In days gone by, people used to travel on foot and carry their loads on their heads, shoulders, or even drag them. As time went on, they used animals like horses and camels to travel along with their goods. The invention of the wheel made life easier for people, and soon they started traveling in bullock carts, on cycles and in cars. There are three means of transport. As you know, land transport, water transport and air transport. Now, let me show you examples of land transport. This is a bus. It is a means of land transport and moves very fast. This is a car and it is also a land transport and moves very fast. This is a train. It is a land transport and it moves on rails. It carries many people at the same time. Now we come to water transport. Water transport, a boat which moves on water. A ship is a water transport which can carry many people from one place to another and also from one country to another. Now we come to air transport, the aeroplane. It is a transport which saves time for us when we travel from one place to another. It is a costly means of transport. This is a helicopter. It is an air transport, but it cannot carry too many people at the same time. Now children, coming to the first kind of transport, which is land transport. Cars, motorbikes and buses all move on the land and therefore they are called land transport. Vehicles which move on the road are called road transport. For example, cars, buses, scooters. Trains move on tracks and so they are called railways. Rickshaws, bullock carts and bicycles are a slow means of land transport. Trains and buses travel long distances and can carry many people at a time. Trains are of different kinds. We have the metro rail in Delhi and Kolkata, which has made traveling much easier for the people. Now children, like these kinds of transport, there are also animals that help us to move, to transport ourselves from one place to another. The horse pulls a tonga. The camel carries people and goods in the desert. The elephant carries heavy loads in the forest. The donkey and mules carry heavy loads in hilly areas, and the ox pulls a bullock cart. The next kind of transport is water transport. Boats, ship, steamers. These are all different kinds of water transport. Ships can carry many people and goods to all over the world. A very luxurious ship is called a cruise liner. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport. The third kind of transport is air transport. Aeroplanes, helicopters and gliders are all means of air transport. They are a fast means of transport. The place from where the plane takes off and lands is called an airport. A pilot flies the aeroplane. An air hostess and the rest of the crew look after the people in the plane. Now children, fill in the blanks. Let us fill in these blanks and complete the words, teaching you more about air and land transport. A E R O P L A N E. Aeroplane. Aeroplane is what, children? It is a kind of air transport. Next one. B O A T. A boat is a water transport and a cheap means of transport. Now coming to the next one. C A R. Car. Car is a land transport. Now children, let us take a quick recall at whatever we have learnt by answering these questions. Answer the following questions. Why do we need means of transport? We need means of transport to move from one place to another. The next question is, when do we need a passport? Answer, we need a passport to travel to another country. Number 3, what is a cruise liner? Answer, a cruise liner is a luxurious ship in which people travel. Number Number 4, tick the correct option. In the question, there are 2 options. You have to tick the correct one. Is it camel or elephants is used in a desert area? Camel or elephant is used in a desert area. Camel is the correct option. Number B, a pilot or an air hostess flies an aeroplane. It is a pilot. A pilot is the correct option. Now children, there are some important things that you should remember about vehicles, because all of us have some kind of vehicle at home. Something to remember. The number plate on the vehicle tells us about the state to which it belongs. For example, BR stands for Bihar with the number followed. CH stands for Chandigarh with the number followed. DL stands for Delhi with the number followed. The next is a passport. As you have already been told, a passport is a document used to travel out of the country. The worksheets and notes will be uploaded on the school website. Thank you.